In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best meat thermometers available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the meat thermometers list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the meat thermometers mentioned, be sure to check the description link. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Jinutus Bluetooth Meat Thermometer with 6 probes. The Jinutus Bluetooth Meat Thermometer offers 6 high-precision probes, perfect for cooking multiple dishes simultaneously. Its Bluetooth connectivity allows you to monitor food temperature remotely via a smartphone app, providing accurate, real-time updates. Ideal for BBQs, smokers, or ovens, it ensures your meat is perfectly cooked without constant checking. The sleek design, intuitive controls, and durable probes make it a reliable choice for home cooks and professionals alike. Number 4, ThermoPro TP622 Backlight Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP622 is a fast-reading digital meat thermometer designed for quick, precise temperature measurements. Its automatic rotating display ensures easy reading from any angle, while the backlight feature allows for clear visibility in low light. This thermometer provides accurate results within seconds, making it ideal for grilling, baking, or frying. Its durable design and user-friendly interface make it a must-have tool for achieving perfectly cooked meals. Number 3, 2024 Upgrade Outdoor Bluetooth Dome Meat Thermometer. This 2024 upgraded outdoor meat thermometer is perfect for barbecue enthusiasts. With Bluetooth connectivity in a dome design for enhanced range, it ensures reliable, wireless temperature monitoring. Ideal for use with charcoal grills, smokers, and ovens, it provides real-time updates via an app. Multiple probes allow you to track various dishes simultaneously, ensuring perfectly cooked results for every meal. Number 2, Waterproof Wireless Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. This wireless meat thermometer features IP67 waterproof probes and a rechargeable battery for convenience and durability. Equipped with Bluetooth, it connects to your smartphone, providing accurate temperature readings via an easy-to-use app. The bright LCD screen ensures clear visibility, making it perfect for grilling, smoking, or baking. Its precision and waterproof design make it a versatile tool for any cooking task. Number 1, Smart Wireless Cooking Thermometer for Barbecue. This smart Bluetooth cooking thermometer offers reliable wireless temperature monitoring for grills, smokers, and ovens. It pairs with a smartphone app for real-time updates and alerts, ensuring perfect cooking without the need for constant attention. The sleek design and easy-to-use interface make it an essential tool for achieving precise, delicious results every time.